Hello my dear students, welcome to our channel Ankita Ki Ankshala. So today's topic is how to solve a linear equation in one variable. So before learn to solving, we have to understand what is a linear equation. So see, I have three types of equation: 3x plus 4 equal to 19, x square plus 5x plus 6 equal to 0, and x cube minus 2x square plus x minus 7 equal to 0. So how to identify which one is linear equation? See, in this equation, the maximum power of variable is 1. And in this case, the maximum power is 2, 1. So the maximum power will be 2. And here the powers of x is 3, 2 and 1. So the maximum power will be 3. So how can we identify the equation having maximum power of x will be 1? This is called a linear equation. The maximum power having 2 will be quadratic equation. And the third one having the maximum power as 3 will be called as cubic. Understand? And in one variable means if the equation having only one and only one variable is called equation in one variable. Suppose if I have equation 3x plus y equal to 5. In this case, this is also a linear equation but in two variables. I hope you understand my point. The equation having maximum power as 1 and having one and only one variable is called a linear equation in one variable, and the equation having the maximum power as 1 but having two variables is called linear equation in two variables. Got it? Now we will learn how to solve a linear equation. See, the first most thing you have to learn, I have equation 3x plus 4 equal to 19. So as you all know, if I want to find the value of x, what I have to do? I have to keep only x this side and all the other constants to the another side. So for this situation I have to do 3x plus 4 minus 4 equal to 19 minus 4. As we all know, we have to apply the operation on both sides. It will become 3x is equal to 15, and now I have to divide both the equations with 3. It will become, now this is x equal to 5. This is the solution of the equation. Now why I say that this is there is the maximum one solution of equation? Because if I put x equal to 5 in the equation, see, I have equation 3x plus 4 equal to 19. If I put x equal to 5, what it will become 3 into 5 plus 4, 19 means LHS equal हो गई RHS के. So if I put any other number in this equation, if I will put 0, 3, what will it become? At x equal to 0, 3 into 0 plus 4, it will become 4, which is not equal to 19. So if you put any other number other than 5, this equation will not become 0, or the LHS will not become equal to RHS. That's why we have to say there is maximum one solution of linear equation in one variable. I hope you get my point. Thank you for watching the video. Now we will learn about more other topics. Bye bye.